In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website using Genspark.ai. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to Genspark.ai. I suggest using a web browser for this. Now from here, we want to go ahead and create an account or sign in. So once you're here, just go ahead and click on sign up or sign in. It's completely free to do this. So now I'm just going to choose my Google account for this demonstration, but you can sign up using your Microsoft account, Apple, or you can use an email. But yeah, Google account is the quickest and easiest way for this. So I'm going to choose my account, and that's going to redirect me back to Genspark. Now, once you've signed up, it's going to show you a bit of a tutorial how to do this, but you can click out of that. Now, from here on the main page, it says ask anything, create anything. So what I'm thinking of creating is I'm just going to pretend I own a burger restaurant or a burger bar, and I want them to create a website for me. So I'm just going to say create me a burger bar website, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the enter button here. Now from here, we're going to be speaking to these super agents. So let's go through the process. So as you can see, it's thinking. So they're going to create a professional burger bar website for you using the specialized website builder agent. So now this is going to take a few moments to run its thing. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once it's created this website. And on the right, you can see the preview of how your website is going to look up as well. Okay, so it's still developing here, but we can go through the preview. So it's just refreshed here. So it says here, burgers that make you smile. We can fully customize all of this too. So this is just a quick demonstration how we can create a simple website. So if I go ahead and scroll down, you can see the intro. Now if we keep coming down, our story, obviously I can change that to suit how I started that burger bar if I did create that burger bar. Also our menu, so we got all items, burgers, sides, drinks, etc. Actually looks very nice, this website that they built. They've got the footer here as well, so the location, hours, the contact information. You can change all of that stuff by talking to the AI on the left here. And at the top of the website, we got home, about, menu. I think the other one said contact. So now here we go, so it is ready. So if I scroll up here on the left hand side, it says your website is ready. We can go ahead and view your burger bar website. So I can go ahead and open that in a new tab. So here it is here on a larger screen. So we can scroll down, have a look. It looks actually quite neat. Go to the about section, menu, contact. Now on the left hand side, that's going to show you what's included. So we've got a hero section, interactive menu, about section, contact, professional features. And now this website is built with modern technologies, including Tailwind CSS, font awesome icons, and custom JavaScript for interactivity. It's ready to deploy and fully customizable. Now, if you need any modifications or want to customize the content, menu items, colors, or images, just visit the link above to make edits directly in the builder.